Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Samsung Calendar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference if you are not using a Samsung phone, and type the URL www.samsung-calendar.updown.com/android, which will let you download the APK version of Samsung Calendar. Then simply tap on get the latest version, and then it will start to have the download option provided. Then simply tap on the download option, which will allow you to download the Samsung Calendar. So you can simply tap on download anyway in simple manner, and then in matter of seconds or matter of minutes your file will be downloaded. So simply hit the open button and tap on the install button. So once the installation process is completed, your Samsung Calendar will be downloaded on your Android device. So you can simply go through your home screen and tap it open. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.